Abide, sweet Spirit, heavenly dove, with light and comfort from above. Be thou our guardian, thou our guide, o'er every thought and step preside. To us the light of truth display, and make us know and choose thy way. Plant holy fear in every heart, that we from God may ne'er depart. Lead us in holiness the road, which we must keep to dwell with God. Lead us in Christ the living way, nor let us from his pastures stray.